difference by rounding off to the nearest tens. Okay. Here we have taken this number. First one is 6723. From this number, this 4-digit number, I will subtract this 3-digit number, that is 804. Fine. Now I will do simple subtraction only. From 3 I need to subtract this 4. 4 is a greater number than 3. So that's why this 3 I need to make it as 30. And from where I am borrowing this one? From the beside 2. So now cut the 2 and write down over here 1. Now come back to your ones place. From 13 you need to subtract the 4. So what will come here? After 4 you count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Right? So 9 will come over here. Now come to your tens place. From 1 now you need to subtract this 0. Here what will come? 1. And now you come to your hundreds place. Upper side it is smaller number than 8. 7 it is there. So this 7 I need to make it as 70. From where I am borrowing this one? From this previous number 6. So cut the 6 and write down 5 over here. Now come back to your hundreds place. From 70 you need to subtract this 8. So what will come? 9 will come over here. And here nothing means this 5 will come. So this is my actual difference. My answer I got over here, that is 5919. That is my actual difference. Now I have to change this number. I have to round up this number to its nearest 10. Okay, so this is ones place and this is tens place. So here this 23 I need to make it round off. Here I have done, that is 6723. Instead of 23 here I have written 20. Why? Because this number is 23. So this scale I have to keep in my mind that this 23 is starting from 20 and its last limit is 30. So in between 25 is there. So I have to check this 23 is not more than 25, it is lesser than 25. So here our 23 comes. So whenever I am making this 23 round off to its nearest 10, so 20 will come. Understood? So my new number is, after making round off to its nearest 10, it is 6720. Understood? Now come to this second number, that is 804. In this number only I have to change it. I have to make it to its round off number. Okay? So 04 means this scale is starting from 0 and its last limit is 10. In between 5 comes. So this 4 is less number than 5. So when I will change it to its nearest tens place, that time it will come 0. Okay. So here I have taken 800 only. Instead of 804, I have changed it to its nearest round off number to its 10, that is 800. Understood up to this one? So this is my estimating numbers after doing the round off. Now we have to do simple subtraction also over here. 0 means 0. From 2 I have to subtract 0 means 2 will come. Now upper side it is 7. Again it is less number, smaller number than 8. So make this 7 as 70. From where I am borrowing this one? From this beside 6. Cut the 6. Write down 5. Now come back to your hundreds place. From 17 you need to subtract this 8. So what will come here? 900. Right? And now 5 is here. Downside it is nothing. Means 5 only will come. So my answer is 5920. And that is my estimated difference. Okay? And it was my actual difference. And this is my approximate sign. Okay? This is the approximate sign. Understood up to this one? Okay. Now we will do estimated difference by rounding off to the nearest hundreds place. Okay. Now I am rubbing this one. Now my new number is that is from question 2A. My new number is, that will be my 4-digit number, that is 9125, and downside 2660. This is my actual numbers given in my question. Now I will do simple subtraction only. From 5 I need to subtract 0 means nothing. 5 only will come. From 2 I have to subtract 6. 2 is also a smaller number. So cut the 2 and make it 12. From where I am borrowing this one? From this one. So cut the 1 and write down 0 over here. Come back to your tens place. From 12 subtract this 6. 6 will come. Come back to your hundreds place. Upper side it is 0 and downside it is 6. So 0 is smaller number than 6. So cut the 0 and make it 10. From where you are borrowing this one? From this previous 9. So cut the 9 and write down 8. Now come to your hundreds place. From 10 you need to subtract this 6. What will come here? 4. And from 8 here you have to subtract 2. So what will come here? 6. So this is my actual difference. This is my actual difference, that is 6465. Now I have to change it to its nearest hundredth place. 100. Okay. So here ones, tens and hundred. From here I need to change. I need to round off. So 9000 but 125. So this number, this scale is starting from 100 and its last limit is 200, right? And this number belongs to, okay, first this in between 100 and 200, what will come? 150, okay? But my given number is 125. This is less than 150. So this number will be placed over here, 125. So whenever this 125 I am making it round off to its nearest 100, so 100 will come only. Fine. That's why I am writing over here 9100. 9100. Okay. And now come to the second number, that is 2660. So from here I need to change it. It is 660. So this number scale is starting from 600 and its last limit is 700. And in between 650 comes. But this number it is given 660. This is more than, greater than 650. So this number will be placed in this side, that is 660. But whenever I will make it round off to its nearest 100, that time it will come as 700. So that's why here we have to write 2700. Instead of 660, I have to write 2700. Now I will do simple subtraction. 0, 0, 0 will come. Here also 0 will come. Here 1 is smaller number than 7. So this one you need to make it 11. From where you are borrowing this one? From this previous 9. So cut the 9 and write down 8. And from 11, now you have to subtract this 7. So what will come? 4 will come. Yes. Now from 8, you have to subtract this 2. Then what will come? 6 will come. So now my new number is, my new answer is 6400. That is my estimated difference. Okay. It was my actual difference. And it is my estimated difference. And what is the relation between these two sums? That is approximate sign. Understood? We have done estimated difference by rounding off to the nearest 100. Because these 100 numbers here we have changed. We have made these numbers round off to its nearest 100th place. Okay students? Now we will do estimated difference by rounding off to nearest thousand. Okay, 1000. For that I need to take another number. Here I will take 5-digit number. Okay, 5-digit number that I am taking from your question number 3A, that is 74,190, and downside it is 35,860. From this number I have to subtract this number. Simple subtraction only. From 9 you need to subtract 6. So 3 will come. This is same digit. So 0 will come. From here, from 1 you need to subtract 8. Means you need to make it 11. From 11 you just subtract 8. What will come? 3 will come. From where you have borrowed this one? From this previous 4. So cut the 4 and write down 3. Now you can see 3 is also smaller number than 5. So cut the 3 and make it 13. Now from the 13 you need to subtract this 5. So what will come? 8. And from where you have already borrowed this one? From this previous 7. So cut the 7 and write down 6. Now from 6 you need to subtract this 3. So what will come? 3. So my actual difference is this one. This is my 38,303. Now I have to change it. I have to round off to its nearest thousand. So thousands, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So from here I need to change this number. So students, here 7 will be as it is. Now you consider this number 4,190. So you have to keep in your mind the number scale. This is 4,190 means this scale is starting from 4,000 and the last limit is 5,000, and in between 4,500 comes. Now I have to check this 4,119 will be placed here as it is less than 4,500. So this is 4,190. This 4,119, whenever I will make it round off to its nearest 100, that time it will come as 4,000 only. So here I need to write 4,000. Okay. 74,000. Now I will change this second number from this thousands place. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So here my number scale is starting from 5,000. 5,000 it is starting and its last limit is 6,000. And my given number is 5,860. So in between 5,000 and 6,000 what will come? 5,050. Sorry, 5,500. And my given number is more than this one. So this number will be placed here 5,816. So whenever I will change this number, I have to round up this number to its nearest 100, nearest 1000. That time it will be rounded off as 6,000. Understood? 6,000. So I have to write here 3 as it is. I am changing from here. So I will write down over here 6,000. Understood? So this is my new number. These are 74,000 and downside it is 36,000. Now you have to do the subtraction. 0, 0, 0. And here again, see students, 4 is smaller than 6. So what you have to do? This 4 you need to consider as 40. And where from you are taking borrowing this one? From this previous 7. So cut the 7 and write down 6. So now come back to your thousands place. From 40 you need to subtract this 6. So what will come? 8 will come. Now come to this place. From 6 you need to subtract this 3. So what will come? 3 will come. So this is my estimated difference. That is 38,000. Okay. This was my actual difference. And this is my estimated difference. And what is the relation between them? This is, I have only imaginated. This is the approximate. This is not actual. This is actual and this is estimated. That's why here I have to use this approximate sign. Understood?